Hey there, Internet. JC at Caldwell Outdoor Equipment, and I would like to personally invite you to our open house this Friday, September 10th, starting at 11 a.m. At our open house, you can see all the stuff we stock here and keep in store. We have snow equipment, both from Buyers Snow Dog, Salt Dog, and Snow X. We have salt spreaders through Salt Dog. We have a lot of mowers still in stock for you to check out, both zero turns. You can see here we've got some walk behind still in stock, even stand-on mowers. We're having some of the lowest prices of the year on all equipment we offer. Handheld, both Echo and Shindiwa, specifically Echo X Series models. They'll be 15% off this Friday. So again, take advantage. We're having free food. We're having brisket, pulled pork, free drinks. Very least, come down, have a great lunch. So again, Caldwell Outdoor Equipment here in DeSoto. Any questions, give us a call as always. Better yet, just come down and see us during our open house. It's gonna be a great time. Did I mention we're having free food? It's gonna be delicious. It's made here on site. So come on down and we hope to see you guys this Friday.